So after trimming, cutting and splitting your clips, we want to add the transitions and the effects. So to add the transitions and the effects, I want to show you the tools that we are going to use. First, this FX that you see down here is the effects. So FX is the short form for effects. So, and you also see the plus sign here, right here. So when you click on the plus sign, you will have the transitions. And these are different transitions, and there are different types of transitions you can choose from. So if you want that first picture to show with this transition, like white as you can see on the screen right now, you select it, then you click this button here. Good. So let's play it and see. Did you see that? You see how it transited from here to here. Good. So you can also add transitions like that. So this plus sign is where you add your transition. If you want that white or you want another transition, you can select it here. Then you click on OK. So you need to select transitions manually like that, depending on what you want. So make sure that the transition is not childish, it is matured ones. Depending on what you are doing, we don't want to select transition that is so funny. Yes, so we can select the transition that looks mature. So now if you want to also add effect will affect the picture itself. So if you click on the picture, then you go to FX, the way the picture will enter the scene is what you need to select right here. So as you can see, these are different effects. If you select this one, if you select any of this here, you will see how it will enter the scene for you. This one is spinning. This is the beat. You want it to be beating like this, and this one is blur. This is the blur effect. If you want to add the blur effect, you just come here. So these are the basic effects. Yes. So after selecting the effects that you want to use, you click on this tick sign again, and then you apply the effects. So if you made any mistake and you want to make changes, you click this particular arrow here so that you can go back to what you did before. Yes. So I hope that you know how to add effects by selecting any of the effects that you want here, and depending on what you want, just play around it, or you add transition by selecting on the transition here, just play around it, and you will see that your video will really make sense.